Hi viewers, today we learn um, how to print your name on the terminal. For that, first of all, we'll check some commands. We have already learned ls indicates list of files, okay, and similarly pwd is defined as present working directory. Similarly, you can observe date. So these are all some of the commands which user can run on user mode. That is the reason why the symbol is assigned as dollar. Now the first thing is you need to change this dollar symbol into root where it is defined by hash symbol. So how to get that hash symbol from this particular path means you need to run a command called sudo space su, and it confirms that do you want to enter into root? Yes. Then enter your password. Now you can observe the root permission has been achieved when once we entered our password properly. Now in this I'm going to select what are the folders that are there in my root directory, which means there may be some files, there may be some directories. So again I'm going to list out the content of my root. Now in these different files and folders, now you need to enter into a folder named by etc. How to change your respective root to enter into etc means the command is cd space etc. Now if you list out the number of files and folders that are there in this directory means it is going to display like this. Out of all these files and folders, select a file named by bash. Edit that file only. Gedit bash dot bash hrc. Now this is my bash file, and inside my bash file, at the end of my file, I am going to write a command that we have already learned is figlet space -f, let us say figlet space r k r a j u. Save this file and then close the file. Now exit from your root, clear your terminal, and then close your terminal. Now open your new terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. Thus this gives you the name of your text which has been written in the bash file. Now let us have the name in different colors. Now what I am going to do is I am going to again enter into my root by a command called sudo space su, and then the password. Enter your password carefully. Now it has been entered into a root kernel. Now check the root files. For that you need to remove /home/Ubuntu. Now if you list out the number of files and directories, so inside these files and directories select a folder called etc. Now list out the files present that are in etc. In this you need to select a file called bash h.bash.hrc. Now inside this bash hrc file, now I am going to make a command figlet -f mono 12. Clear? And I want to keep a color of this text, which we have already learned in a previous lessons, that tput, which is used to output the terminal with different text, followed by setaf, followed by 1 semicolon. Now this is a command which I have written on my bash hrc file. Save this file by pressing Ctrl S, and then close this file by pressing Alt F4. Now exit from your root, clear your terminal. Now close your terminal and try to open a new terminal with Ctrl Alt T. Now you can observe the difference between the previous text and the present text. Thank you.